So hello there. So I've started a video on this twice now. I was hoping to get it running. Haven't been able to manage to do that yet. I just wanted to get it running so it's not static and I don't have to drag it up on the car trailer when I want to move it. Whew, I'm puffed out from that winching. Must be unfit. So anyway, I do have plans for this. The body is stuffed, as you can see. She's no good, no bueno. The motor, I have got it to fire off. L28E injected. That's an L28 motor, or Nissan L28 motor. The fuel pump pumps, but I can't get 12 volt to it on the key, and I'm not sure that the injectors are firing either. So the plans of this is I want to use the underpinnings, like all the suspension, steering, motor, trans. I'm going to build a car from scratch using those components, and I'm thinking I want to call it the X or the XZ, because I don't think it's going to be. I'm going to take inspiration from other cars, but I'm not going to make it exactly like either of them. I like 60s race car style, like the GTO 250 Ferrari, or the Ford. Is it Daytona? Or is that a Dodge Daytona? It's the Ford that looks like the Ferrari, or something similar to that, along those lines. Or maybe I'll have it inspired with a little bit of Z in there as well, a little bit of S30 theme, and make it something interesting. And it's gonna be cool. Yeah, so anyway, we're not working on this today. We're just gonna get it out of the way, because a wise man told me you got to clean your room. What he meant by that is to respect yourself and to get respect from others. You can't have your yard and your house looking like that, you know. It's shocking. So today, just getting this out of the way. I'm starting in this corner because it's the worst. I want to pull this fence, the rest of this fence down. All of this has got to be moved, and then I'm going to this stuff as well. And then once that's done, I've got to mess up the top of the house. I've got to clean up as well. So got to start somewhere, guys. And once I've got that all in order, then I can start doing some interesting, cool projects for you guys. And I've got a lot. So I'm gonna get stuck into it all this weekend. And I must say, I'm not looking forward to it. But anyway, it's got to be done. It's going to be worth it when it's done, because yeah, I will feel much better. Anyway, I'm going to get this out of the way, and then we'll get started. Okay, my plan of attack is I want to put everything in piles of order, like timber in one pile for like the burn pile, metal in another pile, and rubbish in another pile. Once I've got everything in their designated piles, then I can back the trailer in and load up each thing to go to its destination, because scrap metal goes to a different place to what the rubbish does, and vice versa. And the timber pile I'm just going to burn myself, because I'm always after firewood when I'm going camping, so that's what I'll use that for. It's gonna be huge. All right, got to make room for this shed. Those bamboos have got to go too, I think. All right, Obviously, I don't think I'm going to get all this done today, but today I'm just going to concentrate on this area here. It's lunchtime now already, so I'm off to lunch and then I'll come back and we'll get into it. Good morning, guys and girls. It's Monday morning. Yeah, I didn't find anything really exciting enough to film while doing my cleanup. I did, as you can see, I got the whole fence down now. I got to tuck that away somewhere where I don't have to move it all the time. But for now, it's going to sit on the trailer while I'm not using the trailer. Good morning. Yeah, so as I said, it's Monday morning. It's my work day. Next weekend, I'm going to get rid of the take the trailer to the dump, empty it out so I can come back, put some scrap metal in it, and then I'll dump that, and then I'll come back and fill it up full of green waste. That bamboo's got to go. I've got to poison it, kill it, and then get rid of it. But yeah, today we're going to work on not the XT, because the XT is at a stage where it's ready for paint. So that's going to sit and wait until the paint is ready for it. Hopefully within the next week or two I can drop that off at the painter. So we're going to start on the old HQ here. Unfortunately, all the fun stuff's already done. So yeah, I've just got to do paint prep. Alright, so we're going to start at the back on the queue and then work my way forward. I'll probably go down one side first and then swap over to the other. But I'm going to start, I'm going to get the boot off, block it down, see if it needs any filler. If it does, I'll do it, and then we'll move on to this quarter panel and move my way forward the whole way down the side of the car. So let's go. It's not very exciting to watch, so I am going to get, it's all good, I am going to get into something soon. I'm thinking I might run through making a new tank for my old CX here. I mean, there's not much wrong with that tank. It is a bit dented here. That's not meant to be like that. But I want to make something that's going to match my seat that I've made up. I'm not going to get the surface rust off of that. So yeah, I'm going to make a wire buck. We'll run through that, I think. That'll be the next thing on the list. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Making a gas tank for my CX500. Anyway, I'm going to get into work. So yeah, it's Wednesday and got this happening. So yeah, they'll this is just the first coat of the primer. Well, the first few coats. There no doubt will be rub throughs, so we're going to block it down and then hit it again, but for now that will do. Yeah, so we got it all the firewall done as well, but I've run out of the black primer, so until I get some more. I've already started rubbing down the insides of the doors here, so I've got a couple of hours left of the day, so that's what I'm going to get into for the rest of the day, and then tomorrow I'll probably be back down on the HQ again. So yeah, into that. I'm waiting for some supplies so I can continue on with that too, so I'll do what I can. So guys, it's Friday. Haven't been working today. I had to go do my tax and a few other things down the street, so executive decision to take the rest of the day off. But yesterday I got a bit more done on the HQ. So the Q is at a stage, the boot's ready to high fill. This quarter is ready to high fill. This door is ready to high fill. So I've rubbed it down on the inside and the out. So all the door jamb, that's all ready to go. So next week, going to come out, we're going to keep moving forward. So once we've done the front door and guard, we'll do the roof. And then probably take the bonnet off, do the bonnet. And then we'll work the other side of the car. So yeah, that's a few days on the HQ and it's motoring along fine. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get some more video on done this weekend. I'm not sure what. Got to spend a little bit of time on the 240Z to get it ready for Colling Grove hill climbs in, I think it's a week's time. So yeah, this next weekend, not this weekend, but next. So yeah, we'll get into that. And on that note, I think I'm gonna sign off. You know, a little drill, like, subscribe and all that shit, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. Bye guys.